In this video, we are continuing with the equation of a straight line. Now he's saying that show that the lines x plus 2y minus 5 and 2x plus 4y plus 9 equal to 0 are parallel. Now we know that when are the lines parallel? When their slopes are equal, right? So we need to find the slope of this line and the slope of this line. So how do we find the slopes? We first convert this equation into the standard form, this also into the standard form, and then calculate the slopes of these two lines. If they are equal, then the lines are parallel. So let's write the equation. X plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. What is the standard form of the equation? It is y equal to mx plus c. Coefficient of x becomes the slope. So let's make y the subject here. 2y is equal to, we'll shift this x to this side, it will become minus x minus 5. If we shift this side, this will become plus 5. So now y will be minus 1 by 2 into x plus 5 by 2. This 2 will go here also and here also. Now the coefficient of x is minus 1 by 2. So what is your slope? Let's name the slope of this line as m1. What is that? Minus 1 by 2. Now the same we'll do with this line. So this is 2x plus 4y equal to minus 9. We have shifted this 9 to this side. Now 4y is equal to minus 2x minus 9. So basically we have to make y as the subject. So minus 2 upon 4 into x minus 9 upon 4. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So y is equal to minus 1 by 2 x minus 9 by 4. So what is the coefficient of x? Minus 1 by 2. So what is the slope of this line? We'll name it as m2 equal to minus 1 by 2. Now can you compare the two slopes? Are they equal? Yes, the two slopes are equal, since you can say m1 is equal to m2. Therefore the lines are parallel. Right? So we have understood that when lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. Now the next one, he's saying that find the value of k for which these two lines are parallel. Now this time he has already given us two parallel lines and he wants us to calculate the value of k. So let's write this line. This is kx plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. And another line is here, which is 8x plus ky minus 1 equal to 0. So let's convert these into the standard form. What is the standard form? Y equal to mx plus c. So that means we have to make y as the subject of this equation is equal to minus kx minus 3. So my y is equal to minus k upon 2 into x and minus 3 upon 2. Right? So what is the slope m1 here? Coefficient of x, which is minus k by 2. Right? Let me leave it there. We'll come to this equation here also. Ky is equal to minus 8x plus 1. I have shifted these to right hand side. So my y is equal to minus 8 upon k into x plus 1 upon k. So what is the coefficient of x here? That is m. So m2 is equal to minus 8 upon k. Now since the lines are parallel, so since lines are parallel to each other, that is given. Why? Because that is given to us. Therefore their slopes will be equal. So m1 will be equal to m2. So we will write minus k upon 2 is equal to minus 8 upon k. Minus and minus will go. So if you cross multiply, you will get k square equal to 16, which gives you k as plus minus 4. So you have found the value of k.